Before coming to the UK, like many other international students, I imagined a classroom in a very familiar way. A lecturer teaching, students listening, and taking notes. Within few weeks of commencing my program, I realized something different. The way the classes were held was different from what I was used to. The classes were a bit quiet than what I expected. Lecturers asked questions rather than giving straight answers. And during classes, students were expected to speak, analyze, and sometimes lead discussions. At first, I felt uncomfortable. I wondered, is this normal or am I missing something? In this video, I would explain how research-focused learning actually works out in UK classroom. First, let us talk about a typical UK classroom during main sections. One of the biggest adjustments I had to make was understanding the difference between UK classroom settings compared to what I was used to from my home country. Now, lectures are often conceptual. It introduces key concepts. It is designed to provide direction, not full answers. At first, I expected lectures to explain everything in details, but I quickly realized that they were meant to frame the topic, highlight key debates, and point students toward further reading. During these class sections, discussions happen, group activities take place, your understanding is tested. So if you come to these main sections without preparations, it becomes a bit uncomfortable. Not because anyone is judging you, but because you are expected to engage actively. What is student participation like in these sections? In a research-focused learning system, silence isn't failure. Thinking time is respected. Engagement matter more than perfect answers. During classes, lecturers often ask open-ended questions. They encourage group conversations. They step back for students to lead. At first, these pauses after questions felt awkward because in a teaching-led system, once the class is silent after a lecturer had probably asked a question, it's a signal that, oh my God, there is no one in this class that knows it. The lecturer steps in to answer the question. But in a research-focused learning, it is not so. Silence is not failure at all. Your thinking time is respected because this system is designed to actually promote independence in learning, in thinking, and approaching issues. Here, silent means think about it, discuss with your group. There isn't one correct answer. I learned that speaking up, it's not about being right. It's about showing engagement, supporting my views with reading, participating in the learning process. The moment I understood this, classes became less intimidating and more meaningful. Now, let us talk about feedback and self-directed learning in a typical UK classroom. Feedback was another area that felt very different for me. Feedback in the UK system is often indirect, reflective, focused on development. Instead of being told, do this, you more likely would hear, have you considered this and this and that? You can strengthen this by this, that. This might benefit from deeper analysis. To be honest, at first, I just wanted clear instructions. But over time, I realized that this feedback were intentional. It is designed to build independent thinking, increase academic confidence, prepare you for research and professional environment. You are being encouraged to make decisions and justify them. In conclusion, if the UK classroom feels strange at first, you are not alone. You are not failing. You are not behind. You are adjusting to a research-focused learning system. Once you understand how lectures, participation, and feedback work together, the experience becomes clearer and even empowering. In the next video, I would explain why international students struggle at first and why that struggle is completely normal. Do the content in this video relate to your own experience? Feel free to share it in the comment section. It could help somebody out there feeling alone to understand that he's not alone on this journey. Many international students feel the same way on arriving in the UK and starting our program. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.